Today on Action RC, I bring to you the Freewing 90mm Typhoon. Check this out. All right, we're about to take up the Typhoon. I have a 6S5000 battery in there right now. I'm gonna go just for like 2 minutes. I left all the ordnance on there, and I'm gonna be taking off in high rates, and well, wish me luck, and this bird's gonna fly for the first time, so let's go. Perfect. Let's see what she's gonna do. Everything's good to go. All flight surfaces looking good. So we're just gonna take her up, get her all trimmed out. We're gonna see how she's gonna fly because I got a lot of ordnance on there, so I got a lot of pushing on it. So, all right, let's see. I think I got everything I need here. I'm running. All right, let's go ahead and take off. Wish me luck down there. Okay, full throttle, ease up, there we are.
Gear up.
Gear up. We're gonna roll her over. So far she's feeling pretty good, stable. Back around, backing out to about 70% throttle. She's holding pretty good. So far the CG feels pretty good. I kind of like the way it's sitting right now with the CG. It feels pretty good, but that could be due to and with the ordnance. So let me take it up higher. There we go. See what we're gonna do.
Flight mode 1, stability mode.
All right, so gyro is working good.
Flight mode 2, manual mode.
Let's bring her back around. Here she comes, Dale. And back and over. All right, let's see what she's gonna do. She's a mover. Hopefully my piloting skills.
How far back off the runway am I?
You're fine. You ain't gonna fall. It's all good. Fly, but let me get a nice slow flyby from this, Dale, and then
Flight mode 1, stability mode.
Alrighty.
Down.
That's our battery. This thing takes forever for the wheels to come down, so I'm just gonna baby her right on up on out here. And there she is.
Speed brake open.
There she is. Gonna bring her in 30% throttle. She's looking good so far. Get off that. All right, there she is. I don't need the reverse thrust. That was the Maiden, all right. Yes, she came down. Actually, she flew so much better than I thought. So it actually wound up being pretty good. And I'm not paying attention to her. She's running off the side of the runway there. Pretty good. All right, so let me go get another, thank you, Dale. Dale's behind the camera. If you guys haven't, hit that like and subscribe button, please. It helps out the channel so immensely. Let me go get another battery in this bad boy, and she's gonna go up and go fly again. So hang in there. All right, we're back. This is the second flight. I got another 6S5000 battery in here. The last one was, I had it at 2 minutes. Didn't change any of the flight surfaces, everything. I'm gonna be doing the same thing, except I bumped it up to 2 minutes and 30 seconds because whenever I checked my battery back, I had about 40% left. So anyway, let's see what this one's gonna do. So here we go. I love this jet. This full throttle, ease back. It does not take a lot
Gear up.
to get this jet up in the air, and she's handling so well. My buddy who runs another YouTube channel called RC Forever, we were talking last night about flying this particular plane with all the ordnance, and I understand exactly why adjust it in the, and I get it. Now I will be flying this without it. Actually, it's kind of cooking at 50% throttle right now. It's doing pretty good, so I'm gonna come right on over, bring it on out. Luckily today I had an extra satellite, and Dale helped me set up the satellite, so this one's actually running an 8-channel receiver with a satellite right here, right down the runway. She's performing exactly the way I want her to. I'm very happy with her. She's doing good. She has a good amount of. She's slowing down. Here we go. Let's bring her back around. Now she's known to do some loader rolls, so let's see how well she does. That's a regular roll. There's a loader roll. There we are. And right back around. Alrighty, let's not mess with this too much. Let's get this girl ready for landing. Now the sequence for the gear takes a bit, so
Flight mode 1.
we're gonna have to wait for that gear to come down, and that's our battery at 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So there she is. There's the gear. All right, I could already feel the pack starting to get weak. So just take her around, bring her back around.
Speed brake open.
Speed brake is now open. There she is. Slow her down. Float. Bring her right on in. And fly her in. There she is. You know, I tried using the reverse thrust on here earlier, and it just does not quite work so well, but she does okay. All right, that's the second flight, folks. What do you think about that one? That is the new, for me, and the new and approved 90mm Typhoon from Freewing by Motion. All right, I got more from this plane coming up soon. So Dell's behind the camera, Miko's over there. Thank you guys very much for watching. Once again, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching the channel and supporting us. It does a lot to help out the channel every time you hit that like button. So thanks a lot, and we'll catch you on the next one.